What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to change the battery in the remote key fob for a RAM Promaster van. So this flip key is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and we're also going to need a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and flip the key blade out. And then if we take a look right here, there's this little turnable screw. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but you can see the icon here shows locked and then unlocked. What we want to do is rotate that clockwise down to the unlocked position. And then once you have that in the unlocked position, you're going to take your flathead screwdriver and just get under the edge of this right here. And then this whole piece will kind of flip out like that. And now we can see our battery right here. And then you can see there's a little plus sign right here. You want to make sure your battery is plus side up like this. Then we need to put this piece back in the key. And if you notice, there's kind of this little hook on this edge. What you need to do is hold it like this, and you kind of need to start that edge in first, that part that has the hook. So we're going to come like this, get that hooked on, and then push it in. And then once it's in, go ahead and rotate that screw back to the lock position. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.